Ever wondered how the small steps you take each day could lead to massive change over time? Well, there's a Japanese philosophy that embodies this very concept. It's called the Kaizen Method. The Kaizen Method, born out of post-World War II Japanese industrial practices, is a philosophy of continuous incremental improvement. Its name comes from the Japanese words kai, meaning change, and zen, meaning good. Together, they form Kaizen, change for the better. At its core, the Kaizen method is a dedication to improvement, not in huge, sweeping changes, but in small, manageable steps that build upon each other over time. It's about recognizing the power of tiny, incremental change and how these changes, when compounded, can lead to substantial progress. Now, the Kaizen method comprises 5 key principles. 1, the process needs to be ongoing. Kaizen is a commitment to continuous improvement. It's not about reaching a final destination, but about the journey and the growth that happens along the way. 2, everyone should be involved. Kaizen isn't limited to certain departments or individuals. It's a collective effort that encourages everyone to participate, from the top executives to the newest hires. 3, waste must be eliminated. In the context of Kaizen, waste refers to anything that doesn't add value. This could be unnecessary steps in a process, unproductive habits, or even negative thoughts. 4, Kaizen requires a willingness to admit mistakes and learn from them. It's about embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, not something to be feared or avoided. And 5, Kaizen is about standardization. Once an improvement has been identified, it should be standardized so that the same level of quality can be maintained. So how can you apply the Kaizen method in daily life? Start by identifying an area in your life where you'd like to see improvement. Then, break down the big goal into smaller, more manageable steps. Remember, Kaizen is all about tiny, consistent changes. Next, make a commitment to continuous improvement. This doesn't mean you have to make huge leaps every day. Even a 1% improvement can make a difference over time. Involve others in your journey. Share your goals with friends, family, or a mentor who can provide support and accountability. Strive to eliminate waste. This could mean decluttering your physical space, eliminating unproductive habits, or letting go of negative thoughts that don't serve you. Embrace mistakes and learn from them. Every failure is an opportunity for growth. Lastly, standardize your improvements. Once you've found a method that works, stick to it to maintain your progress. In summary, the Kaizen method is a philosophy of continuous improvement that involves everyone, eliminates waste, learns from mistakes, and standardizes success. By applying these principles in daily life, you can create lasting, meaningful change, one small step at a time. Remember, change isn't always about taking giant leaps. Sometimes it's about taking small, consistent steps that lead to a bigger journey. That's the power of the Kaizen method. And like any journey, the most important part is to start. So why not start today?